Hello everyone. I built a multi-agent framework for automated job retrieval. So that use an AI system that automatically finds, understands, and evaluates jobs which are specifically suited for you. So if you are from specific departments and if you give your skill sets along with your details, so it will tailor the jobs, it will find the jobs, and then it will give you the results based on the skill set which you have. So this multi-agent workflow is present at the n8n. Firecrawl scrapes job boards and handles the JavaScript rendered content. We use the Indeed to get the scraped job descriptions, and we use two Google Gemini agents. One extracts job from the HTML, and another evaluates the relevance and evaluates the metrics based on your skill set. The custom JavaScript tool with and Python tool removes deduplicates. So the results go to the Google Sheet and the Telegram instantly. So they can see this is the entire n8n workflow. So it has like a five different types of stages. The one is the data ingestion, scraping, parsing, and data cleaning, the personalization, the job matching, deliverables notification, and the feedback loop. So when we go to each and everything in depth, so for first I will execute this workflow so that like we can understand everything in detail. So as you can see, like it takes the URL from the Firecrawl and it uses Firecrawl to scrape all the details. And then the job discovery agent, it will get all the inputs from the Firecrawl using the HTML and the markdown format, and then it will analyze all the text, and it will give you the best jobs which are in perfect format. So this parsing and data cleaning, what happens is that the parse structure data, which is like the output from the job discovery agent, it will be structured in such a way that it is present in the list of JSON format. And then the other custom tool which I built is to remove the job duplicates. So once everything is done, it will go to the job matching agent where our matching agent takes all the jobs from the job discovery agent and it will match based on their skill set. So for now, since like I am looking for the data engineer, data scientist jobs and anything related to data, so I am using this skill set to match the incoming jobs or the past jobs to get it which is tailored specifically for me. Then I will use the same pass match to get all the metrics, which is the match score. So that score will be used to predict if that I am going to take that job as a yes or a no. So you can have one field there. The next one would be to merge both the details. So the first one will have the job title, a description, and everything. The other one has the personalized job slash metric score. So it uses to get all the details and it will combine everything in one step. The next one is the filter jobs. So if the matching score is more than 0 0.7, which is like 70%, then we are using that to get all the jobs. The executed all the find jobs will go to the Google Sheet and it will present us. Once everything is done, it will give you a notification in the Telegram as well so that you can have a quick look at it. So as you can see, the entire workflow is successfully completed. And if you go to the Google Sheets here, you can see like the jobs are all appended here. So as you can see the timing as well. So that like right now there are like six jobs which are there, which is related to the SQL developer, LLM engineer, machine learning. So you can see like everything is related to the um, data engineer jobs or like data scientist jobs, which I mentioned. And we also have the link to the job to apply. For example, if you go to this link, it will straight away go to the web page where you can apply on the company side. So it does do all the works pretty much easily. You can see we also have the feedback loop where it will count all the incoming jobs. So if there aren't any sufficient jobs which are there, so it will go to the fallback mode and it will give more uh, weightage for the other URLs as well. So it will search for the other locations and it will search for the other filters as well, so that like you can give a quality number of jobs and it will feed it to the scraping engine again. So for now, everything is set to run at 9 a.m. EST, and we can also change this one. I can click and see. So right now it's like a 9 a.m. So you can change everything here. So I can show you the job discovery agent. So we can see all the instructions here. So we need to provide the instruction based for this one. The chat model which I use is Google Gemini. So the Google Gemini is the chat mode for both the agents, which are job discovery agent and job matching agent as well. If you can click and see that it has this the 2.5 flashlight model. If you want, like if you have a good rate limit, you can go for another higher models as well. But I think for this one, for the scraping purpose, I think this is one is sufficient. The next one you can see I can show you the output. So you can see the company name, the location, the job title. So these are the scraped in outputs which I got from the Indeed. And you can see if there are any duplicates also. You can see 15 items item. So I think there are no duplicates. Then you can go for a job matching agent. So you can see these are tailored specifically for me and the target roles which are here. And then we'll give you the specific instructions how to get those, how to get the values. So the output will be in a JSON format, but it will not be passed in the structured way, so that we use another function to get everything in a structured way. So you can see this is the passed output, and each job title and the company name will have the match score if it's a no go or no go. As you can see, there's no go options here, and also we have the reasons as well. So you can see see they are forcing for one nursing rather than general data engineering analytics. So as you can see, South Health and it has us the very low match score. So we can filter everything here as well using the AI. So I think that this would be a good approach. So once we get the matching score, and then if we provide everything to the filter conditions, everything will be filtered here, and then only the relevant jobs which are there for us will be when go into the row sheet. So this is our entire workflow. So you can find everything, this code and all these things in the my GitHub. So feel free to tweak and feel free to use this so that it will be beneficial to you in your job hunt. So I think I'm gonna sign off for now. So thanks, guys.